Today I'll be frickin' recording with this person right here. Wait. Oh, like that was horrible. Club thing. Where'd my mouse go? Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm recording. I'm recording. Where'd you go? I swear you were right there. Oh. Oh, you flew away. Okay. Let's go find Cris. I guess this will be a hide and seek video instead of a vlogging. Oh crap. There goes my mic. Wait, what? What did someone say? Okay. Okay, I will be right back when I find Cris. We are going to record this part where I am in the stupidest place ever to find Cris because I bet she will not be here, but she might be in the river. Are you in the river? Oh, you're not? Okay, never mind. Thank you very much. It's a butterfly. What? What? Wait, hold up. I am thirsty. What? Wow, your boyfriend died. Oh, he left you. Wow. Well, if he died, he basically left you. Goodbye. 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 I think people can hear you just because you're not on speaker, but, like, I don't know. Okay, I'm still trying to. Okay, I'm gonna waste this whole video. I can only, like, spend 15 minutes just because I'm not the pro recorder, but whatever. Who cares about a pro recorder? I can record for 15. Haha. Mom! My mom would never say hello. She would just be like, okay. Okay, if you're not over here and... Wait, I think I know where you are. At the same time, I think I don't. I kind of think you're like in this ocean. Oh, okay. Let me go to the river then. Is it anywhere near the water? Okay. I think I know where to go now. Huh. I'm gonna have to edit this on YouTube. I have to. What? What? No. Oh. Okay. Nice hint. Okay, I need to. Now I know you're nowhere. Wait. Okay, so you're nowhere near river or anything. I think I know where you. I sold my Mustang and now I'm really mad at myself. Wait, shh. Okay, everyone, go subscribe to Christian Dark Rider. That's a little shout out, even though I barely have subscribers. Yeah. I'm sorry, I always get mixed up. Everyone be quiet. I'm gonna try to sneak up on her. Bottom, ba da 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 da. Where's that stupid shop that you're supposed to be behind? Oh, hi, I found you. I thought you were like behind the tea shop. I think I spelled that wrong. I don't know. Oh. You didn't find me, I found you. Wait, what? Yeah. Anyway, I found Cris. Go subscribe. Whatever. Go subscribe to her. This is her name. Go subscribe to her, even though I don't even have subscribers now. Goodbye. Okay, thanks. Bye.